Welcome to this review of EndoTech, a cutting-edge AI-powered trading bot. In this video, I'll be diving deep into the features, functionality, and overall experience of using EndoTech for both crypto and traditional stock market trading. If you're considering integrating an automated trading bot into your strategy, you're in the right place. When you first log into EndoTech, you're greeted with an intuitive user interface that's designed for both new and experienced traders. One of the standout features of EndoTech is its AI-driven algorithms, which aim to maximize trading profits while minimizing risks. The platform offers a range of strategies that can be customized based on your risk tolerance and trading goals. The AI in EndoTech continuously learns and adapts to market conditions, ensuring that your trading strategies stay up to date with market changes. This makes it a powerful tool for those who want to automate their trading without having to constantly monitor the markets. However, while the system is designed to work autonomously, it's important to set realistic expectations and understand that no trading bot can guarantee profits. Another key feature I found useful is the backtesting tool. EndoTech allows you to backtest strategies on historical data, which gives you a better sense of how the bot might perform in different market conditions. For users who are new to trading, this feature provides an invaluable way to assess risk and refine strategies before using real money. In terms of security, EndoTech takes measures to ensure your data and funds are protected. The platform uses advanced encryption techniques and follows industry best practices to safeguard users. While no platform is completely risk-free, EndoTech seems to have a solid foundation when it comes to protecting your trading information. Now, many useful links can be found in the description, where I've included additional resources, guides, and other relevant information that can enhance your experience with EndoTech. These links are designed to provide you with further insights into the platform's features, as well as additional tips on maximizing your trading performance. In conclusion, EndoTech provides a robust and intelligent solution for those looking to integrate AI into their trading strategy. While it's not a guaranteed path to riches, it's a powerful tool for those serious about automated trading. If you're looking for a way to save time and potentially improve your trading results, EndoTech is definitely worth considering. Make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and trading tips.